Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I went back to Shenzhen with 3 ladies to pick up dolls. They said it's less difficult than Hong Kong. We set off from Chengsha 1 and crossed the border via Lowu. Take line 1, exit D of Laoji Station. It's 1234 Space Mall. Eat something first. 4 Seasons Coconut Chicken. Thanks. I bought a set meal for 人民币 369 THROUGHDIRNPING.com. Coconut water and coconut meat soup. Very sweet and rich coconut flavor. Try chicken. The meat tastes relatively bland and a bit rough. The soup was outstanding. The chicken was just average. Set meal includes clay pot rice. The waiter adds soy sauce and mix well. You can see a lot of burnt rice on the bottom of the pot. Feeling hot and fragrant. Try this rice. Very high level. Rice grains are distinct. The taste of soy sauce is not too strong. Try Chinese sausage. Sweet taste, not much fat. Cut very thin. Try Chinese bacon. The standard of domestic clay pot rice is generally good. The variety of rice is important. Cured meat is delicious because it contains a lot of MSG. Hahaha. Please note that if you add a pot of coconut water, it will cost 人民币 22. Try this adorable heart-shaped lunch meat package. The fried bean curd skin and luncheon meat taste normal. The most delicious thing is this cabbage. When we're full, go downstairs to pick up dolls. See if the difficulty is lower than Hong Kong. This is to ensure that you can get the doll. Go and exchange tokens first. I haven't seen cash in a long time. Some people even use cash. It feels like a wealthy person. Oh. It cost $380. Which machine is easier to clip? It should be cut this time. A little further. Oh. Let me try once. It's a bit difficult. It falls vertically. Probably not. This machine is dishonest. Cut. Come on. Almost. Let her decide how to clamp it. Wow. As long as you play a few games in a row, it will be clamped for you at random. Yes, that's it. Wow. Randomly give you a chance to win a prize. Wow. The harvest is rich. The basket is almost full. We spent total 200 renminbi and got 14 dolls. The cost of each doll is only more than 10 yuan. Very cost effective. Everyone, write down the name of the store. I haven't been to Dongmen in more than 10 years. There are still so many people. The streets are cleaner than before. As before, lots of snacks. Very attractive. $12 grilled oysters for renminbi 68. This is kimchi tofu. Renminbi 29 hot pot buffet. Super cheap. All you can eat without time limit, free fruit drinks. Excellent value for money. Japanese crepe. Tastes so good. Giant candied horse. Wow. No wonder so many people come to Dongmen. Food and beauty shops are everywhere. It is not recommended to clip dolls here because the chance of winning is relatively low. I really want to play this. The whole mall is a beauty shop. Very lively. No wonder so many ladies come to Dongmen. How much is this? The big one is 200, the small one is 180. In addition to Bahali, it turns out there is Liuli. Hahaha, that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and click the notification button. Never miss video updates. Thank you all.